Hi guys, Lena here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I add extensions to my natural hair to even make it look like I have very long natural hair. If you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching. I'm going to start by sectioning off a part of my front hair using that tail comb, and I'm taking out hair from the back of my ears. And the reason why I take out a lot of hair in front is just so that it's able to cover up the wig that is going to be at the back of my hair. And when there's a lot of hair in front, it's going to help it look a lot more natural, unlike when the hair, it's not so much that I bring out. So this quantity of hair right here, I'm just going to comb through it. I thought I wanted to just leave it as this and plait it, but I decided to bring out a little bit of my hair at the back just to show you that if you probably wanted to style this type of look as a ponytail, you could just bring out a little hair at the back, and you can even bring out hair too on the sides. But this is how you could achieve the most natural looking hair without breaking the bank, or with your natural hair and your half wig. So this portion of the hair right here, I'm just going to plait it together. If I had all my fingers intact, because right now one of my thumbs is healing from whitlow, aka paronychia. Because of that thumb, I'm not really doing much plaiting or much styling of hair. So for that reason, I just decided to plait the hair into one. Though it would have been better if I sort of plaited it in cornrows, one cornrows, or I plaited it like in a circular motion, so that when I clip the wig in, the clip has something to hold on to. But I'm just going to work with what I have right here, and hopefully the half wig doesn't fall out from my hair. I'm going to moisturize my hair right now with the Moroccan Argan Oil Serum. I'm going to apply that serum all over my hair, from the inside down towards the outer parts of the hair. And after I've applied that Moroccan Argan Oil Serum all over my hair, I'm also just going to apply it on the back side. And next, I'm going to reach out for my heat protectant spray and spray the heat protectant spray all over my hair. The heat protectant spray is from Beautiful. It's their keratin smooth heat protectant spray. I really don't understand the name of the brand, but then you can name your product or your brand whatever you want to name it. Beautiful is the brand of the heat protectant spray. I just massaged that all over the hair and sprayed it at the back of the hair as well, but I'm also going to straighten that hair right there. I'm going to comb through the hair and start using the hair straightener to straighten the hair. And the hair straightener I'm using is a Cloud9 hair straightener, and man, it was really hot. I'm also going to move along now to start straightening the hair on the front of the hair. You're going to notice that I'm straightening the hair in really large chunks. I'm not straightening it in small chunks because I still want the roots of the roots of the hair to still have that fullness to it. I don't want it to look like it's very flat and thin. That's the reason why I'm only straightening the tips of the hair, because that is the tips of the hair, that's the ends of the hair that is going to lay down to flow on the hair extensions that I'm going to add. So it's the tips of the hair that I really want to look like it's flat and straight, so that it's going to blend better with the hair extension. While for the hair on the roots of my hair, I still want it to look like it's full because I don't really have a lot of front hair. So by not flattening the hair, or rather straightening the hair on the bottom part, it's just going to make the hair look like it's fuller than it really is. This is the hair extension that I'm going to be adding to make my hair look fuller. And those clips right there, I'm going to clip it into that hair that I will actually wefted down. I'm just going to clip it on top right there, and also just make sure that I comb in that half wig or all around the areas that I've cut out. And after combing that half wig all around the areas that I cut out and plaited in place, then I can proceed to combing my hair to cover up the half wig. So what I'm doing right now is combing the clips at the bottom part of that half wig. So right now I'm done combing it in, and now the half wig has been well placed on my hair. What I'm trying to do right now is just to use that tail comb to comb through my natural hair and use the hot comb to comb it through. But I realized that I didn't have a lot of time at my disposal, so I decided to do it the lazy girl way. So I just decided to brush the entire hair downwards. And let's say I just wanted to go with an all back look, I would have just combed through this hair with a hairbrush and been out. Just go out with it like this. But I just felt like it wasn't really looking nice as a straight hair, knowing fully well that I don't have a lot of hair around my temples. So it'd be much better if I changed the style. But right here, I'm just showing you what the hair would look like if I wanted to have it like a low ponytail. This is what the hair is going to look like. So because of that hair I brought out at the back, you get to see that I can actually have this hair as a low ponytail. What I'm doing right now is using that hot comb to sort of comb through my natural hair to make it look even a bit flatter, and I don't want it to be too flat. That's the reason why I didn't use the hair straightener. But with the hot comb, it's going to give me a straighter look but not very flat. Yes, so I'm gonna do this on both sides of the hair, and then I proceeded to restyle the hair into a middle part. So I used the end of the tail comb and drew in a straight line, and I'm going to sort of comb that hair on both sides to be going in the direction in which I'm combing it to go on both sides of the hair. So it just sort of lays flatter, and a little bit of my temples is covered up so that those bald spots right there isn't showing as much as it was before. Yes, so this is one way in which you can restyle your hair. If you are wearing a half wig, you can choose to do it as a middle part, you can choose to do it as an all back, or even you can even choose to do it as a C part, or any other style that you feel like you may want to do it. Let's say you probably want to do a fringe look with the rest of the hair going backwards. You can do that, but just that if your hair is not very short in front, it might look funny. So what I'm doing right now is just using that hot comb to continually comb through the hair and just ensure that my natural hair blends really well into that hair extension that is at the back of the hair. And I'm going to keep on straightening the hair with that hot comb until I'm pleased with the end result of what I have. So guys, if you're watching this video and you're getting value out of it and you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my uploads, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. You can see the back of this hair. Like, I really love how the back of this hair looks. I'm not really a fan of the front part of this hair because I feel like the front of my natural hair is really not giving me what it needs to give. So for that reason, the front of the hair is really not amazing, but the back of this hair is so beautiful. I love how full it looks. I love how lush, how healthy the hair looks at the back. But the front of the hair, well, I just have to manage that and pray that maybe one day I'm going to have a fuller front hair. But for right now, I just have to work with what I have. Yes. So after combing through the hair, this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. Yes, very, very beautiful, if I do say so myself. So this is what it looks like. The hair is really nice, and if I probably wanted the hair to look a little bit shiny, I would have used a little more grease to make the hair look shiny. But as it is right now, it looks like it's my natural hair growing out of my head, even if it's actually hair extensions. Let me know in the comment section if you like to see how I make my half wigs or my, well, I call it like a U-part wig. I think I want to turn this half wig into a U-part wig so that it won't be requiring much of my natural hair to look very full. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.